Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is FOREX, and in this video, I'll be doing basic breakdown on how I made money. I made average of 80 to 120K in the market trading GBP, JPY, and I lost 50% of it. Yes, I lost 50% of the money, but eventually I was able to skate through. So why am I sharing this? Because traders do not always share how they make money and lose it back to the market. You see, one of the things you have to understand is trading, day trading works, swing trading works, scalping, being a scalper also works. But one of the things you have to understand is you must understand yourself first. You have to understand your nature of how you do things. Because when you understand the nature of your psychology, how you feel, how your emotions looks like, it gives you the ability to fine-tune yourself when things are not working the way it's supposed to be, or you know why you are making the mistakes. Now, I was able to cut this market. This is GBP JPY 4-hour time frame. I was able to cut this market around here. Yes, I cut it here and I'm going to prove it to you. I was able to cut the market around here. In fact, I missed this entry because I was sleeping. So by the time I woke up, market has already came to this key level. And I entered. And to make everything wonderful, I was able to market moves to this key level, this neckline. But I was expecting market to break this key level as soon as possible so that everything can be going fine. And that is what was I seeing. Market refused to break this key level. The market was consolidating. And you know, as a trader, textbook kind of trading, like take 50% of your capital and you take the rest to break even, in which I did because I could not, I was at this place, I've already make 100K. So by the time market reverse and I was perplexed, like, what is happening here? Then I exit, put the thing to break even. Eventually, I was sent out of this key level. But as I'm speaking right now, market is already here. So which means that when I enter here, if I never touch my market at all, I would have been here right now making average of 200K right now. Yes, 200K in Naira right now at this key level. But I missed it. So, and here is the proof of what I was saying. This is my account. This is my Forex book. You can see that this is live account. This is leverage. This is MetaTrader 5. This is my track record, trading privilege. And these are I started this account on April 12, 16, 17. Then I didn't, these are the weekends. And this is where we are right now. So what am I trying to say? This is my trading edge. You can see monthly gain in April 0.76% profit, MT5. And I was angry when I discovered that this market was actually moving the way I expect without me. So it means that to be a profitable trader, strategy is another thing. After you have the strategy you are looking for and it works for you, the next thing is emotional psychology. Oh my God. The ability to have emotional stability. This is my order of history. As you can see, what I show you now, this was the profit. So when I took the profit, I was able to withdraw this one. Eventually, this one was break even. But you can see that after that time, there was a series of loss. So what I supposed to do is when you make this kind of money as a trader, the best thing is to exit market and take a break. But we have been told that day trader, making money every day. You were not designed. Market was not designed to be making money every day. And you can see that series of loss, win, 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 loss, loss. Imagine that when I took this trade, I just exit the market for like a week or 1 month. It's possible that by the time I come back again, I might have access to this kind of money again. So what am I trying to say? Why am I showing this, my personal end screen? I'll say that this is only GBP, JPY, GBP, JPY. that you see when it comes to trading this market, you need a lot of things. One of it is strategy. That is, you must know what you are doing first. You are not just clicking buying and sell. The second thing is you need to be emotionally stable. If you are angry, don't trade the market. If you are depressed, leave the market alone. Because those are the things that will work against you when you are trading the market. Those things will work seriously against you. But if you can find the emotional trauma, if you can be emotionally stable, if you can find a way to be uh, emotionally calmness, it will help you as a trader in your trading career. So that is all. So why am I sharing you guys this back end of my trading stuff? For you to know that trading works. And the strategy I'm sharing with you guys on this platform, it works for me. At least you can see my FX book. This is, you can see, this is blunt truth. This is real account. And this is my broker's platform. You can see that I'm using Exness. So for you to know that it works. So this is not demo. This is real account. Yes, this is real account. You can see all time. So I was able to, I went to go and trade market that was not consignment and I had to lose a lot of money. So stay with a peer that resonates with you. Take your time and give yourself time. So you have chance to become successful in this industry. That is all I have for you guys. Later on, I'll be running basic analysis. I'm still waiting for this market anyway. I'm waiting for this market to do extraordinary because right now, this is new week and this market have started buying again. But right now, so I'm expecting this GBP JPY to come to this key level minimum. Why am I saying to this key level? Because of this counter trend, this trend line. It holds here, here. So I'm expecting this to come to this key level to here, which will be a form of counter trend line and also support resistance level. So when market comes to this key level, whatever it does, then, but if market can break this trend line, let's say market come to this key level from here, then break out, then come and retest here, it means that market is coming to this key level, which will be here. Yes, it means that the ranging season is over for GBP, JPY, and buy season have begun. But until that time, you have to watch very well, be calm, be patient, and let's see what market will do. So that's all I have for you guys. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.